Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to check anagrams from strings, given strings. Before going to start, so friends, please subscribe my channel and press on bell icon to get my new updates. Okay friends, let's get started. So for doing this task we need an environment. For that I am using VS Code, Visual Studio Code as my preferred editor, and I am recommending this. So but your choice, you can use your preferred editor. So for this we need an environment. So for this I have created a script.js file to execute that file. I am using node.js. So I am checking my node is available or not. So I am getting the version means it's available. Okay friends, let's get started. To achieve the task, so first what we have to do, so I'm going to create a function. For that function I'm naming it as find anagram. Okay, so find anagram. So before going to start friends, what is anagram? So I will brief you in little. So anagram is nothing but simply we can in our life. So in our day-to-day life we have observed some magazines having that puzzles. Okay, so some words will be in shuffled manner, so we have to rearrange it in a correct manner. So that is the shuffled word is we call as anagram of the result word. Okay, result word. So for example I am explaining. So for example, what is anagram? So I am here taking example as, for example, cat is a string. So what is the possibilities, how many possibilities to write these cat's anagrams? Okay, so I can write a CTA, okay, TCA, okay, ATC, okay, CT. So here observe that we can write the characters place with different so means we are shuffling the word in different manner, but the length of the string is same, and the characters containing in the cat only should contain in the if this condition satisfied only we can call these words are anagrams of cat. Okay, so for this I'm going to create function that should be that will be in the form of like in the form of that we have to pass two parameters. Okay, so okay, name. First is the name and means proper word, and we have to second parameter as checking name. So means checking word. So means with which word we want to compare, so that word we have to pass in second parameter. Okay, so that it can as per our logic it will checks whether it is anagram of that name or not. Okay, so let's get started friends. So for doing this, first we have to means count the words of that word, whatever the string they have given by means simply we can say whatever the name given by user, we have to count the characters in that name string. So for that I'm taking object to store that characters to count that characters and store into some object. So for that some store into that object. So for that I'm creating some object called obj char counts. Okay, char counts is equal to, I am taking empty object initially I'm making here next step I'm making the validation for passing whatever the passing for passing parameters to the function. So if name dot length is equal to 0 or checking, sorry I'm checking name renamed as checking checking word. So okay, name this checking word dot length is equal to 0. So we are returning false. So here in this condition we are checking the whatever the parameters passed to the function that are not equal that are not null. Okay, null checking. Here we are checking null check. Okay, so in next step first what we have to do, we have to count the characters from the what are the means for example name characters, string characters. First we have to count the characters. So because first parameter is the parameter that we compare with second parameter, is that anagram of that parameter or not. So that's why, so first we have to count the characters in that string, first parameter. So for that we are using for loop. So for example chars cha, I'm taking a cha of keyword of cha of name. First I'm taking name parameter. So in this I'm counting and I'm storing into object. So how char counts, in char counts we are placing the index as cha, and we are making and assigning some value to this by logic. So ternary object for logic. So what is the object? Char sets char counts. So cha, if we char counts cha, or if it is 0, if it is contained or 0, we have to make it as plus. We have to add +1 to that. Okay, if it is 0 or if it is 0 or if it is any number, so we have to add 1 to that. Okay, every time it will here from line number 8 to 10 what it will do means it splits that parameter and counts that characters as per our requirement. So after counting this character, again we are taking another for loop. This is our main for loop for for doing our logic. So what is our main scope here? Check the anagrams. Okay, so of cha of, now I have to check checking words. Okay, so now we have to change checking words. We have to take the checking words. First initially we have to check if char counts not exist cha. If char counts not exist, we have to return false, right? Return false. So second, if char count exists, what we have to do? If char counts exist, char count exists, what we have to do? Char count dot minus. Okay, we have to remove that every time. So we have to remove. So finally what we have to do? Return true. Okay, once again I will explain this function. Okay, so we have taken function to find anagram to for for given two parameters, like first one is the correct word, so we are checking second word with the first word. So okay, parameter. So first parameter is the anagram, whether the second parameter is whatever second parameter we have given, that is anagram of that first parameter or not. For that first we are checking null checking, and if it is null, if it is, we are returning false. So for next step we are counting the each character from the given first parameter, from first parameter. So after that what we are doing, so in last step we are doing our logic on finding the anagram or not. So and next step we are taking for loop for that. So this time we are taking checking word and we are comparing it with first word. Okay, already we have char count is already with counted with some first parameter characters, right? So we are checking with that, and based on that we are returning false if it is condition satisfied. So we are checking that char count ch is if exists. So whatever the letters coming from second character is if it exists. Okay, if exists, we are decrementing the count. Okay, so here we are incrementing the count, so here we are decrementing the count. If finally if this for loop successfully executes, so finally we get return here. If it is, if we have any, if the for loop get any error, we will get the return from here. Okay, so false. So based on this condition we can use this function anywhere. So let's check our function whether it is working as per our requirement or not. So first I will take two names, it's const name1 name x. Okay, name x is equal to, I'm taking Kiran sorry, and name2 is equal to, I am taking some RANIK. okay, some random name of first name. Okay, now consoling, now I am consoling, and c1 is only console dot log. So I'm taking the function, so function find, and so we are passing the, for that we are passing two parameters, so name x comma name2. okay, name2 we are passing the parameters, so we will run and check it. Okay, name script dot here. So sorry, I'm getting some error at line number, okay, sorry, it's CHA counter, sorry CHA, it is CHA, it's my mistake, sorry for that. And check once again. So okay, it's true. So we got answer, we got output as true. Okay, check again. So true. So we can change, if we change name K with capital K, it is case sensitive. Okay, if it is capital K, false. Okay, it is not matching with that. So then it is not a, so it is not a anagram of that Kiran. So it is anything. So if we change the places of anything, so but the letter should be matched and the length of the string should be matched, true, right? So that's all, friends. This is the way to find whether the given parameter is anagram of that word or not. Okay, thank you, friends. Please subscribe my channel and press on bell icon to get more updates from my side. Thank you, friends. Bye, have a nice day.